Warning, do not attempt to move on to the next step before you're confident, comfortable, and relaxed with the previous step. I prescribe practicing 3 days a week for maximum results. Welcome back to the Swim Doctor's office. How can I help you? Alright, well, I've got a cure for that. Okay, so the breaststroke is a 3-step process, and I'm going to show you all 3 steps and how to learn them easy and how to make it efficient. Now, whenever I do breaststroke, I always start with the kick first. So you want to do your kick first, then what you're going to do is a glide, which means that you're going to have your arms out in front and your legs are going to be coming together. And once your legs are together, you're just gonna hold it there for 2 seconds. So you're gonna kick, you're gonna hold it right there while your arms are out in front of you. And you're gonna hold that for 2 seconds, and that's what we call a glide. Now, step 3 is your arms and your breath. So in the previous video, I taught you how to do your arms and your breath. So we're gonna be putting that along with these steps. So, kick, then you're gonna glide, so you're just gonna hold a position and not move for 2 seconds. And then you're gonna come up for a breath, and then back down. You're gonna start it all over again. Kick, you're gonna hold your arms out in front, hold your legs together for 2 seconds. That's a glide, so that's step 2. And then breathe, that's step 3. So you're gonna come up and take a breath. Now, when you're first starting out, it's gonna be a little spotty, okay? So feel free to do it as slow as you want. We're not racing here, so you don't have to go super fast. The slower you go means the more you're thinking about what your body's doing. So I suggest you go as slow as possible. So do it in steps as well. Kick, glide, and then breathe. Do it in those 3 steps. Alright, don't forget to like and press that subscribe button so that you see the next time I upload a new video. Alright, and come back to the Swim Doctor's office for more cures.